Today, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black that I bought last week in Urban Gadgets at 1 Bonifacio High Street. This is a special bundle series that I bought for 26,990 pesos that comes with accessories like the shorty, the extra battery, the memory card, and the head strap. So guys, pamaskong handog ko na to sa sarili ko. I've been eyeing on this for months already, and well, originally I was planning on buying the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And syempre, nanood muna ako ng reviews and videos about it. And I realized na konti lang naman yung difference ng 7 Black from 8 Black. And of course, 8 Black is a much more improved version. So, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. So, ito yung camera mounted on the box. I'll dismount the camera off the box. And there's a rubber flap. I'll push it up. And then there's two fingers there, and I'll squeeze that up. Medyo matigas siya. And I'll slide it forward. There you go. Okay. I'll open up the box and check everything that's inside. So we've got a quick start guide. What else? Stickers, safety instructions, and so on. So, what else is in here? Here's the battery, the charging cable, the sticky mount. Well, this is actually a curved sticky mount. So yan, tamang-tama yan sa bikes. Nilalagay siya sa helmet. Here's the memory card. Oh, there's the extra battery. And then the shorty. Let's clear the table. So ngayon, I will detach the camera from the buckle mount by removing the thumb screw. Okay, so let's take a closer look on the Hero 8 Black. Sa ibabaw is the shutter button. On the side is the mode and power button. On the front, we have a small LCD screen display, and at the bottom is what we call the finger mounts. Yung finger mounts na yan, of course, gagamitin mo lang siya if you're going to use mounts, such as the shorty. So yan, nagaganyan siya, napapasok siya kapag hindi mo siya kailangan. So yan, mas madali siyang hawakan. Okay, on the other side is where you put the battery. So, pababa. Pilit mo lang siyang ganyan. And then, ganito. Oops! So, don't worry about it kasi detachable talaga siya. Put it back. So, pasensyahan nyo na dahil first time ko magka-GoPro. Okay. Okay, I got it right. Then, next is, of course, we place the memory card. And I'll insert the memory card. So, guys, kailangan gamitin nyo minsan ng fingernails nyo pang push ng memory card inside sa slot. And then, you insert the battery. Okay. So, I think I have to push it. Like this. And then, okay. So, na-insert na natin yung memory card and the battery. And let's turn this on. Siyempre, alisin muna natin yung naka-cover. Quite hard to remove dahil wala akong kuko. Okay, there you go. Okay. So, let's turn this on. Oh, wow! I'm so excited dahil kauna-unahang GoPro ko ito. So, samahan niyo ako sa next videos ko. See you!